70% of the Earth is covered with water. 2.5% of that water is fresh, and only 1/3 of that fresh water is available for human use. Right now, over 1 billion people have no access to water. 2.5 billion people have no sanitation, and 2 billion people have no energy. The world needs an environmentally responsible way to clean up waste and to provide clean water and energy to communities around the globe. The Xogen technology is now available to meet the challenges that we face today and is laying the groundwork for meeting the challenges that we are likely to face in future generations. Over the next few minutes, we're going to see how the Xogen technology applies to water purification and wastewater treatment. We'll also see how it provides an environmentally sensible solution to home heating and power generation. And this is just the beginning.
Xogen Power is a research and development company dedicated to creating clean water, air, and energy technologies. Xogen's novel and patented technology produces an oxy-hydrogen gas. The gas is produced by applying a proprietary digital electronic signal to plain tap water and environmental waste streams. Simple, readily available, and inexpensive components have been used to minimize manufacturing and maintenance costs. This single-cell unit is the basic building block of the system. Two 12-volt batteries, a single digital electronic signal generator, a driver, and a tank holding a single cell of stainless steel plates are all that is required to produce oxy-hydrogen gas. Plain untreated tap water without catalysts is used as the feedstock for the system. If the system needs to be scaled up to produce additional gas, the digital electronic signal can be split to run multiple cells. The system was designed to run on renewable energy. Rechargeable 12-volt batteries store solar or wind energy and provide direct current electricity to the system. It can also be programmed to run on grid-supplied electricity or battery power, or to switch between the two in real time. While the science behind the system is complex, the system is not. Plain untreated tap water is hit with a current carrying a unique electronic signal. The signal causes the H2O molecule to dissociate into hydrogen and oxygen. Unlike conventional electrolysis, the water does not require chemical additives. The steel plates in the Xogen system are similar non-precious metals. When the water molecules dissociate and turn into a gas, there are no membranes or separators needed. The Xogen system produces a stable oxy-hydrogen gas. With Xogen's technology, the hydrogen and oxygen are produced together, on demand, as needed. They are separate, but mixed together as a unique combustible gas. The production of the oxy-hydrogen gas is instantaneous. No preheating is necessary, and the system is compact enough to produce the gas on-site at the point of combustion without any storage necessary. Due to its position on the spectrum, the oxy-hydrogen flame is difficult to detect with the naked eye. Here, light-sensitive imaging captures the magnitude of the flame. The energy contained in Xogen's oxy-hydrogen gas is demonstrated by cutting calibrated tungsten, which has a melting point of 3,410 degrees Celsius. As this demonstration shows, when burned, oxy-hydrogen gas recombines into clean water. Xogen's technology can harness the power of renewable energy. This technology has the potential to use solar, wind, or grid power to produce thermal energy. When incorporated into a practical application, such as a home furnace, the byproducts of this system are water and minor impurities. Xogen has completed 2 benchtop proof-of-concept heat exchangers. The first is a natural circulation water heat exchanger that can be adapted for water-based heating applications. The second unit is a forced airspace heater concept, which uses a unique ceramic plate to distribute the energy contained in the oxy-hydrogen flame. Xogen is proposing to solve the costly transportation and storage problems of hydrogen power. Because oxy-hydrogen gas is produced on-site and on demand from water-based systems, Xogen's system produces the oxy-hydrogen gas where it is used. The gas produced by the Xogen system, operating in water, is a stoichiometric mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. This means for every quantity of hydrogen fuel, there is a quantity of oxygen that will allow the fuel to release all of its energy in a combustion reaction. Simply put, the oxy-hydrogen gas output from the Xogen system is an ideal mixture for combustion applications. Xogen and APD Environmental have agreed to form a limited partnership to research, develop, and commercialize new technologies in the treatment of environmental waste streams utilizing the Xogen technology. This limited partnership has incorporated the Xogen gas generator into a reactor system designed to process environmental waste streams. The reactor system includes mixing, temperature control, and online gas detection and analysis. Testing takes place in a fully equipped laboratory capable of measuring most standard environmental parameters. To date, the Xogen technology has been customized to operate effectively with environmental waste streams. As a byproduct, it liberates oxy-hydrogen gas with volume comparable to that produced from ordinary tap water. Combustion of the off gas can be condensed to produce water. As independently confirmed, samples from preliminary testing indicate fecal coliforms are destroyed in a few hours. These results are also below the requirements established for Class A biosolids by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. The Xogen APD partnership has identified a potential multi-billion-dollar worldwide market for this technology. As the world moves towards decentralized infrastructure at all levels, Xogen and APD Environmental will focus on delivering the modular wastewater treatment plant of the future. With the basic technology in place, Xogen is aggressively moving forward to develop commercial products. From water to emission-free energy systems, to treatment of environmental waste streams, to clean water, Xogen is ready to help address the issues of the global community.